thank you guys for everything that you do. I know that this has been a challenging journey these last couple years. Bus drivers, without you guys, we can't survive.
The culinary department gives an annual bus driver breakfast. That's one of my major projects for the pre-culinary academy students.
Ms. Vereen, our culinary teacher, she helped us with a lot of stuff like measuring and how to actually cook food, and it's actually fun.
They're the first person the child sees and the last person that child sees in the afternoon, and for that, it does not work without them, and I have to say thank you.
We do this every year for you guys. It's our little thank you to you. And Miss Dorothy Vereen, she runs a wonderful choice program here with our culinary department, and we are just blessed to offer this great food to you guys. And I hope that you guys enjoy it.
It may not be much to a lot of people, but believe me, us drivers, we take it as a lot. And for all the staff here today, I want to raise my cup to them and say thanks a whole lot.